The first and basic method of definite integration is by using indefinite integration. For example, if you are asked to find pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So how do we do this integration? We know that we can do the indefinite integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x. So this is nothing but integration from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, 1 by 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So that is half can be taken outside. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. 1 by cos square x by 2 is secant square x by 2 dx. 1 by cos square x by 2 is secant square x by 2 dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 times. What is the indefinite integration of secant square x by 2? It's nothing but tan x by 2 by half, right? Because you have x being multiplied by half, so you need to divide by half. So this half and this half gets cancelled. So tan x by 2 is the indefinite integration of this 1 by 1 plus cos x. So once you have the indefinite integration, apply the limits pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So that is equal to, so tan x by 2, that is tan of 3 pi by 8 minus tan of pi by 4 by 2 is pi by 8. So tan of 3 pi by 8 minus pi by 8. So what is the tan of 3 pi by 8? 3 pi by 8 is nothing but 67.5 degrees. 67.5 is a standard angle. So what is tan 67.5? Root 2 plus 1, and tan 22.5 is root 2 minus 1. So this root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1. The answer is equal to 2. So integration pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, 1 by 1 plus cos x will be equal to 2.